In this video, we'll explore the data source section, where you manage the test data used by your actions and test cases. Data source supports three modes. Simple stores key value pairs directly. DB connects to a database via JDBC. And Excel/CSV imports data from spreadsheets. In the Simple tab, click New and select New Value. Enter a key, like email, then set the value to your test data. Add a description and click Save. On the right, the Connected Actions panel lets you link this data to specific actions. Click Add, browse the list, and select the action that needs this value, like a type step. Once connected, the action pulls its input directly from the data source during execution, keeping your test dynamic and easy to maintain. SmartestQA. Make test automation easy and scale your projects faster.